Hi there. I'm Linda, your spirit-led life coach and modern mystic at Tulalight. I share with you today's reading using 2 oracle decks, predictions and angels and auras, along with my rose quartz pendulum and disc. Today's intention is just seeking general guidance. First, though, I had one question for my celestial team. How many angels are with me today? And their answer was more than 10,000. I want to note that I often carry thoughts on our country's well-being and tend to only lightly follow current events such as highlights, headlines, and clips. And occasionally I'll read letters by Heather Cox Richardson. She's an incredible historian. I will admit that most of my energy these days is focused on learning, growing, and launching my spirit-led coaching practice. I bring this up as I think our celestial teams are tuned in to what matters to us, even when we don't ask. Because of that, they often surprise me with information I don't expect. As a side note, you will notice the inclusion of several angel light language words for which I provide translation during this reading. Okay, first card. The one I drew was Moon No Clear. And that was from the predictions deck. Immediately after pulling this card, my celestial team shared the following messages. You all are getting justice and peace. Kindness, Mammy, which is genuine kindness from the heart, will become more central. You must wait for Mooney, meaning intuition-driven kindness. So basically, the angels are waiting for us to become intuitive-based kindness. And they predict that we will unalive the presidency with kindness. You and many like you are enough. We, the angels, are waiting for NAMI. NAMI is the work of inner growth and spiritual ascension. Angels will make NAMI easier. Love makes more people kind, and you are helping. The second card from the predictions deck is Sun, Yes, Positive. This card radiates warmth and encouragement. They said, love your healthy NAMI. By this they mean they love our inner work. You're beginning to shine lighter and reflect deeply. Spiritual elevation is increasing, and you are helping with love and kindness. The third card is Rulership Handover from the Predictions deck. This card came with a powerful political message. You are all going to be very happy. F-45 will be leaving office. Be patient. It will happen. He will not get Thuni. Thuni means he won't escape justice. Love and kindness will create true Mammy, heartfelt compassion. And I asked how many people must suffer before this peace comes. The answer, not many more. Nanny, which means you must wait for love and justice. They are strong. The fourth card, Everything's Okay, is from the Angels and Auras deck. This card brought in gentle reassurances and states big news is unfolding for the universe. You are divinely supported. It holds the angel number 444, and that's a sign of support, stability, and alignment. We are to trust divine timing. This number signals protection and the steady building of a life grounded in love, career fulfillment, and personal growth. I felt this was a good reading for today and any day. I wish you all great joy and happiness.